so slowly. First, we're going to clap. First, we're going to clap. We're going to clap the rhythm. Okay. Okay. Ready? And clap. Okay. Nice. Now, standing in place, we're going to gently stomp the rhythm like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Gently, you don't want to stand too hard on this floor. Okay, so now that we kind of more or less vaguely have the rhythm in our feet, we're going to move forward in our circle. We're going to do this slowly. So the length of your steps. Long, short, long, long, short, long, long, short, long, long, short, long. So the second step is short. Steps 1 and 3 are long. Okay, like this. Watch. Long, short, long, long, short, long. Let's everyone try it. Long, short, long. Moving forward. Moving forward. Face 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, 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 right, left. Okay, so it's actually harder to dance slower than it is to dance faster. So for those who are having difficulty,
I've noticed some when you're doing it, you're taking that step. You're not actually taking the second step. You're pausing. You gotta make sure you do both feet for it. Step, 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 step.
จะเป็นซ้ายซ้ายซ้ายขวาจะเป็นซ้ายซ้ายสองข้างขวาสองข้าง
and every step takes weight. Every step takes weight. Left, right, left. So if I stop here, I can pick this foot up because I have weight on this foot. But for those who are having difficulty with this, the cheater step, and this is not in the manuscripts, this is not historically documentable at all. This is the cheater step. 1, 2, 3. So cut under. So we're going to do this slowly. Put your weight on your right foot. Weight on your right foot. Left foot is free. Okay. Step onto your left foot. Take your right foot and undercut. And then step onto your left foot again. Okay, weight is on your left foot, weight is on your left foot, weight is on your left foot, right foot is free. Step on your right foot, undercut with the left foot, and step on your right foot. Weight is on your right foot, weight is on your right foot, weight is on your right foot, other right foot. There we go. Okay, step on your left foot, undercut with your right foot, undercut with the right foot, and step on your left foot. Right foot is free. Okay. This is as slow as you'll never ever dance. You will never dance at this tempo ever. Okay. So we're going to put on the music, and I'm just going to have you try to figure that out. So you're going to be dancing for at least a minute.
Which one?
Probably longer. Up to you, Rand.
Should we be starting with like left or right foot?
So in general, you should always start with left foot. Always.
เริ่มจากซ้าย
European dance pre-1900 starts with the left foot. 90-something% of the time.
Okay, come in here.
Oh, the volume control is down on the machine. Beneath you. we say in the US, good enough for government work. Okay. So, for those who are feeling comfortable with that, drop the undercut. That's not actually historic in the 15th century. So you can just put the foot next to it. But if the undercut was working for you, use it. You don't need the undercut. Okay, so we're now warmed up, right? Nice and warm? Okay. So now we're going to teach you a slow thing. So we need to learn to ask people to dance because dancing is social. Okay? We need to learn, I'm going to teach them how to ask people to dance.
เดี๋ยวเราจะสอนขอคนเต้นนะครับ
Do you have to think about the word politely in Thai?
Yes without being too forceful
Yes, good. Okay.
เหมือนกับไปขอสาวเต้นนะ
So, and this applies to ladies too. Ladies in the 15th century asked men to dance all the time.
และนี่รวมถึงผู้หญิงขอผู้ชายเต้นด้วย ในศตวรรษที่ 15 มีบันทึกเอาไว้ว่าผู้หญิงก็ขอผู้ชายเต้นได้
Yeah, that 19th century Victorian bullshit of the women standing on the sidelines waiting for a man to ask them, that's the 19th
ใน
century.
หนังในศตวรรษที่ 19 ที่แบบผู้หญิงต้องขอให้ผู้ชายไปเต้นเป็นเรื่องบูชิต
There's no word for bullshit in Thai?
No, it has that bullshit effect.
Oh, I see. Okay. It seems like your language needs some more richness, I think. Okay.
ขี้มันขี้วัวมากจริง
Okay.
มันสตรอเบอรี่มาก
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how any of you, man or woman, should invite someone to dance. You identify your target.
เลือกเป้าหมายของคุณ
You approach your target.
เดินเข้าไปหาเป้าหมายของคุณ
And then you make a reverence.
แล้วคุณก็เตะออกโค้งนะครับ
And then you say something in your language of choice, such as, "Good sir, may I have this dance?"
แล้วก็พูดเชิญขอให้เขามาเต้นกับเรานะครับ
And then he or she responds with a reverence.
แล้วคนที่เป็นเป้าหมายของเราเขาก็จะตอบด้วยการเลเวอรอนกันนะครับเหมือนกับให้ความเคารพ
Very
กันนะ
nice.
ครับ
We'll go to it in a minute. And then he or she says something eloquent like, "It would be my honor. You are the goddess of my skies. I worship the ground on which you dance." Something like that.
แล้วเราฝั่งที่เป็นเป้าหมายก็จะตอบกลับด้วยสไตล์ของเขาอะนะครับเขาบอกว่าอ๋อมันจะเป็นเกียรติผมอย่างมากก็เลยก็ว่าไปนะครับ
Good. So how do you answer, sir?
Is my
Honor?
honor.
Perfect. Well done, sir. So let us all practice the 15th century reverenza, the 15th century reverence. So
การเลเวอรอนนะครับ
weight is on your right foot, your left foot is free,
ขาข้างซ้าย
lunge back,
ปล่อยนะครับ
and then come back up. Now, only go as low to a point from which you can return.
ได้โปรดย่อลงไปในจุดที่คุณจะยืนกลับมาได้นะครับย่อก็ตายหาไปเลยก็ไม่
Must
ได้
come back up.
To the point of no return
You must, you do not pass that point of no